Hi everyone, I'm Nicole.
I'm Patty.
November is a time of cooler weather, warm beverages, and boots. It's also a time for family and delicious foods, which is today's theme for our chat. So Patty, what makes you think of November?
In November, it's Thanksgiving, lots to be thankful for. I know maybe I'm getting early, but
That's okay.
A lot of the things I'm thankful for, I've said I'm thankful for my family, for my coworkers.
Well, I'm thankful for you too.
Okay.
So what about books? Do you have any books that you're thankful for, I guess?
So, well, one thing, of course, with Thanksgiving is all the food we eat, and a lot of people like to check out books with food. There's Joanna Fluke, Cleo Coyle, Iris Crawford have really good books that have recipes as well as a good story. And my favorite, okay, this isn't my original one, but I've had this since I was married. This is my second copy of this particular book. And by the way, if you go onto our ebooks, there are a couple Betty Crocker cookbooks, and go to our partner libraries. Some of them have even more Betty Crocker cookbooks. So I got a lot of my original recipes for pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, basting that turkey,
You're
all the
making
good
me
stuff.
hungry.
How about some mashed potatoes and dinner rolls? Oh, dinner rolls made with potatoes. It's good.
Have you tried any of the recipes inside of these books?
Not this one in particular, but I have tried several. I like this one because this makes me think of Christmas and Gingerbread Man, but they're full of good ones. And I know a lot of people that have tried recipes from here. What about your book?
So I picked my book today. It's The Library of Lost and Found by Phaedra Patrick. This book is very family oriented. The main character, she's given up everything to take care of her family. And in the story, she finds out that her family isn't quite what she expected it to be. So I really liked this book as far as family goes because while it's somewhat dramatic and can have some dramatic themes, it really brought together the idea of family in a very different way, and I liked it. So The Library of Lost and Found by Phaedra Patrick. So
Family's important. It's good to go and keep us together. Whether we all think the same and believe the same, we love each other. And so, each person's a little different. Each of my coworkers a little different. But we can do a lot together and lots to be thankful for.
yeah, we're like our own little library family here.
Yeah.
So. And then the other thing we have today to show you guys is the gratitude tree, which if you head over to the Steam video with Bree and Jean, you'll check out more about that. But you can make your own gratitude tree at home if you're interested. It's really simple. You just put up leaves and you write all the things you're thankful and grateful for on them. And it's a really nice November decoration to put up and just remind you what you're grateful for. So,
May I ask what you are grateful for?
Oh yeah, I wrote, I was grateful for laughter, kindness, and yummy food because I really love yummy food. So,
That's good.
But yeah, also don't forget the library is closed during the weekend of Thanksgiving, so get your books early, or you can check out some of our ebooks online. That way you don't have to miss out on the next great book.
Yeah.
And then share with us what books and recipes remind you of November. Is there a book that you like to read in November every year? And then I guess that's it.
Thanks, Nicole.
You're welcome. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.